Minecraft 1.20 is finally here, and today I'll be turning this very questionable pile of tech into the ultimate DIY Minecraft server for me and the people who I pay to pretend to be my friends to play on. And I'll be showing you how to make your own DIY server at home so you can do this as well. Now firstly, when it comes to choosing a CPU for your server, well, as you might be aware, Minecraft is a bit peculiar when it comes to performance, i.e. it was programmed by a bunch of drunken Swedes. And because the game was originally made before Notch started treating stuff like whatever this is, the game doesn't take full advantage of modern CPUs. It is pretty much bound to a single thread, and as such, a CPU with the highest possible IPC and the highest possible single thread performance is what we're after, i.e. stemming from Intel. This is the 12700K. The reason for it is, well, it's the only spare Intel CPU I have, so it is going to do the job just fine. And when it comes to cooling, this massive thing of Noctua is also a bit overkill, but again, it's just what I have. You can get away with a much cheaper cooler as long as you're not using something like a 3900K. Now, as you are probably aware, Minecraft servers like the memory, so that's why we're using 32 gigabytes of this Kingston Fury stuff right here. And by the way, if you want to buy any of the stuff from this video, then Amazon links to it are going to be down in the video description below. Naturally, you don't need as much as 32 gigabytes, but it does certainly help, especially if you're running a busier or a more chaotic server, or if you're using mods or whatever. And once again, when it comes to storage, even something like a SATA SSD will be absolutely fine when it comes to speed, both as the boot drive and as the SSD actually housing your Minecraft server. Though of course, if things get really chaotic or if you have just so many players on, then something like a PC Gen 3 NVMe SSD could be a better option, but you won't need anything faster than that. Once you have everything and everything is connected and you boot into Windows, then simply go into Minecraft and download a server file for the latest version of Minecraft available. From there, drop it into what will become your server folder. Open up the Java folder, agree to the EULA that appears there, and you'll be greeted with a whole bunch of extra stuff you can configure. The first thing you want to do is create a brand new bat file in that folder simply titled Go. And in there, write this command specifying exactly how much minimum and maximum memory the server can have. And now this is the file you want to actually launch when you want to actually turn on the server. Now naturally, that Minecraft Java file is still essential and you have to still re-download it every single time a new version of Minecraft comes out. Then via your internet service provider, port forward to port 25565 and your Minecraft server is ready to go. However, just because this actually all works and I'm on my own personal server, that doesn't mean we're done just yet, because a few more things you can do to make this an even better experience. Because see, there's this thing about PCs. They crash, and when they do crash, you want your server back online as soon as possible. So there's a few things you can do to make that way less of a headache. Firstly, there are actually several different ways you can make Windows auto-log you in at the start. So instead of having to turn on your PC, then log into your account, Windows will simply auto-log you in so you can get your server back up and running as soon as possible. And then in Task Manager under Startup, we're actually going to add the batch file we created as a high priority startup file. And the other key thing you want to add as a high priority startup file is TeamViewer or any other remote access tool, just so you can actually remote into the server, see what's wrong, update from time to time, etc. And there you go, just like that, you have your own Minecraft server for fun adventures that you and your friends may have. Oh, no, I'm about to die, I had 34 levels, you absolute buffoon. Thank you.
On the other side to where
Oh, he sees me! Get me out of here! Get me out of here! So if you felt inspired by this, then hey, go grab whatever hardware you have spare and make your own Minecraft server. Or if you have any missing hardware, then check out our Amazon links down in the video description below. And while you're here, maybe also check out our Patreon, because in a single dollar a month truly goes a long way. I'd also love to thank my existing patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan, AKB, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Balaj Velka, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lansby, and Level Up. Down there you're going to find our merch store, our Discord server, and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone, goodbye. What on earth did I miss?